Good day everybody. So yes, this is the, what are we on? The third part of our EDC utility pouches. This is the small version. So the small version is basically the same as the medium, which a lot of you guys know, and some of you know the small as well, but it used to come only in the black color. Now we've got the RGO and the Coyote tan color as well. So similar to the Mini, you've got Molly Pals attachment in the back, you've got a loop, you have the paracord pulls with croco zips, Velcro hook and loop attachment for any patches you want to add in there, Velcro enclosure pouch on the front with a mesh so you can see what's in there, and then the setup inside is basically the same as the Mini. Again, 2 slots over here, no sleeves, pockets, the elastic attachments with various sizes. As you can see, some of them are a bit smaller, so they will fit something like a pen snugly, and then some of them are a bit bigger. There's a small one, there's a small one, bit bigger than those two again. So those two about the same size, those two the same size, these two the same size, and then obviously a slot in the back as well. So 6 there, 3 here, on this side 4, again bit size difference here and there. Yeah, that one's a bit smaller, that one's a bit smaller, those two the same, and again 2 sleeves in the back. Again acrylic coated ripstop nylon, so there is a bit of water resistance there, again with the zips as well, a bit of water resistance. Over there you have the loop over there for your keys, where you can attach a paracord and hang it on the outside if that is your choice. But yes, that is basically the EDC utility pouch small. So same size as the next one we're going to do, which is the medium, in terms of this circumference, where the medium is thicker, this one is thin. So yes, guys, that's it. Or should I say guys and girls, that is it. Thank you for watching the video, and if you would like to like and subscribe to our video channel, you're more than welcome to, and see you out there.